My name is Jimmy Cheng. I'm a professional Olympus wedding photographer. The purpose of the Olympus workshop is basically to give an opportunity for any non-Olympus users to experience what Olympus cameras can actually do. Each part, I'll go through some examples of my shots. So I'll tell them about how I get that shot using the Olympus systems. There will be practical session in the morning and in the afternoon. So they have two sessions, so they can use the lone cameras and lone lenses, so they can try actually hands-on with the kids, so they can actually see how to use it basically in an environment, professional environment. The practical session is actually very simple, and I don't want to impose on actually teaching them to photograph a portrait basically, but instead of I'm setting them with two gorgeous models, and so they just basically come up and start using the cameras. I will show them the basic angles, and because a lot of them actually semi-professionals already, so they already know what they're doing. So I think it's the best for them is actually try out themselves and set the cameras to their own settings, so they just have to explore themselves. But this is a good way of doing it. Obviously, in a floral apartment, quite a nice environment for them to do so. I think one of the best things about my workshops is very informal. Of course, I still have a more structured way to tell things in terms of people can follow my thoughts in terms of how a wedding goes on a daily basis. Then I'll break into little bit elements, and then you can learn some details about how you should go about as a documentary photographer in the wedding situations, and how good it is to blend in with a smaller system like the Olympus, the Micro Four Thirds system, in these sort of situations. And also, I think the benefit is that you can also gain some practical experience. You can shoot with professional models. If you've got any question at any one time, I'm actually there to help you to solve your problem and to also improve your skills. If you haven't got it quite there, if you're just a beginner, for instance. And also towards the end of the session, I will give a critique session, which I will look at your photos, so you can actually get live feedback basically from me, how you can improve your photo if you are just a beginner. And also, I have a general Q&A, which is right at the end, I'll answer sort of either professional, business, or camera questions.